So here's my Arduino Uno on a breadboard, as it's commonly called. It's a little test rig that I set up and I keep around for testing stuff, for setting up circuits and little prototypes and stuff. And if you've ever done an Arduino on a breadboard, it's pretty bare bones. It's got your ATMEGA chip, your 328 chip. It's got your 16 meg crystal in this case, because why not? They're cheap. It's got your 22 puff caps. They're loading the crystal. It has a reset button, like all good Arduinos must have. It has power on reset, and of course it has the pin 13 LED. So nothing special. The reason I made this video is because if you look closely at this chip, this is a weird package. This is not an ATMEGA328-PU DIP, 28-pin DIP package. What it appears to be is a 328 QFN package, in other words, a surface mount package, which is right here, which is surface mounted to a black PC board with some printing on it. That's nice. And to which standard header pins have been soldered along each edge. So it does make a 28-pin DIP, and it does work. Works perfectly fine. I've never had a sketch not load, and it passes every test I could throw at it, so I decided to use it. And the good news is it's breadboard friendly, obviously. The bad news, it's not at all IC socket friendly. So for example, if you tried to jam this thing into an actual Arduino Uno's socket, you'd need considerable force to jam it in, because the header pins are not like IC pins. They're a hell of a lot thicker. So you'd be able to jam it in, but you'd probably ruin the Arduino Uno's socket if you tried that a lot. So I'm trying, why did I buy this thing? By the way, I bought it on Amazon right as of this recording. It's shown as currently unavailable anymore. I bought it, I don't know, maybe 6 months ago. And the only reason I bought it wasn't that expensive. It was a pack of 4 for like 15 bucks or something. And I bought it because I was curious, why did someone make this? Why did they bother when it really doesn't have any advantage over a 328 PU standard DIP plastic package? And the only reason I could think of is because at the time there was sort of a little bit of a shortage of 328s in DIP packages. You could get them in QFN. Obviously you could get them for for actual production use, but you couldn't get 28-pin DIP ATMEGA328. So someone in China designed this thing and sold it on Amazon. Maybe it'll come back, maybe it won't, I don't know. But I thought I'd show it because it's just weird. But it does work.